Welcome. Today, we're setting out to discover Lebanon's most breathtaking natural wonders. This small Mediterranean country is packed with dramatic landscapes, towering mountains, ancient forests, and hidden caves. We'll journey from the Earth's silent depths to snow-capped peaks and sunlit shores, revealing places that seem straight out of a fantasy. Get ready to explore Lebanon's hidden gems, scenes that will leave you in awe. Our adventure begins now. Our first stop is Jeita Grotto, Lebanon's subterranean masterpiece. Stretching nearly 9 kilometers, these limestone caves are sculpted by water and time. Inside, vast chambers are filled with stalactites and stalagmites, nature's own cathedral. The world's largest stalactite hangs here, a silent witness to millennia of creation. Descend to the lower grotto, where a crystal-clear river awaits. We board a silent boat, gliding through darkness illuminated by soft lights. The water mirrors the ceiling, making it feel as if you're floating between two worlds. These caves provide fresh water to Beirut, connecting nature's artistry to daily life. Jeita Grotto is more than a cave. It's a testament to the power and patience of nature. Jeita Grotto is Lebanon's underground jewel, and a must-see for any adventurer. Let's continue our journey above ground, to the ancient forests of the mountains. Next stop, the legendary Cedars of God. High in the Qadisha Valley stands the Cedars of God, Lebanon's living legends. These ancient trees, some over 1,500 years old, are symbols of endurance and history. Their scent fills the crisp mountain air, a fragrance prized since antiquity. The cedar's massive trunks and wide branches have witnessed empires rise and fall. Mentioned in the Bible and used in ancient temples, these trees are woven into the fabric of civilization. Walking among them is humbling. Their bark tells stories of centuries past. The forest is peaceful, sunlight dappling the ground, wind whispering through the branches. Conservation efforts protect this sacred grove, with reforestation ensuring its survival. Each tree is unique, some tall and straight, others twisted by mountain winds. In winter, snow transforms the forest into a silent white wonderland. Visiting the Cedars of God is a pilgrimage, a chance to touch living history. These trees are not just flora, they are ancient witnesses, rooted in Lebanon's soul. The forest is a natural cathedral, inspiring awe and reflection. It's a reminder of nature's resilience and our duty to protect it. The Cedars of God connect us to a world long gone, yet still alive in these mountains. Here, the past and present stand side by side. The forest's beauty is timeless, its presence powerful. Every visit is a step back through centuries. The cedars are Lebanon's green crown, enduring through ages. Their survival is a testament to hope and preservation. This grove is a living link to ancient times. Let's descend now into the valley below, where history and nature intertwine. Welcome to the Qadisha Valley. The Qadisha Valley, carved by the river over eons, is a sanctuary of both nature and faith. Its cliffs plunge hundreds of meters, creating a dramatic, awe-inspiring landscape. Hidden in these cliffs are ancient monasteries and hermitages, carved into the rock by early Christian communities seeking refuge. Hiking the valley is a journey through history. Narrow trails lead past rock-cut sanctuaries and terraced gardens. The monastery of St. Anthony of Qadisha, built into the cliff, was once home to the Middle East's first printing press. The valley is alive with the sounds of water, birds, and distant bells, a symphony of nature and devotion. Monks cultivated olives, grapes, and figs on steep terraces, a testament to human ingenuity. The monastery of Our Lady of Hauka, perched on a sheer ledge, is still inhabited by a solitary hermit. Each season transforms the valley. Spring brings wildflowers, summer offers cool shade, autumn paints the trees gold, and winter dusts the ridges with snow. The Qadisha River nourishes the valley, its clear waters a lifeline for generations. This UNESCO World Heritage Site blends natural beauty with spiritual heritage. The monasteries are part of the landscape, not just built on it. Exploring Qadisha is an immersive experience. majestic cliffs, the river's song, the scent of wild herbs. It's a place where nature and faith are inseparable. The valley's history is etched into every rock and path. Here, the sacred and the wild coexist in harmony. Qadisha is a living museum, a testament to resilience and devotion. The journey through this valley connects you to Lebanon's ancient soul. It's a hidden world, rich in stories and beauty. From the mountains and valleys, we now head to the sea. Next, the iconic Raouche Rocks of Beirut. On Beirut's western shore, the Raouche Rocks, also called Pigeon Rocks, rise from the Mediterranean. These towering sea stacks are natural monuments, sculpted by waves over thousands of years. The larger rock's sweeping arch frames the open sea, a gateway for boats and a perfect spot to watch the sunset. From the Corniche promenade, locals and visitors gather to admire the view, feeling the sea breeze and hearing the waves crash below. Pigeons circle the rocks at dawn and dusk, bringing life to these stone giants. The colors shift throughout the day, limestone glowing in the sun, water sparkling in blues and greens, and at sunset, the rocks become dramatic silhouettes. This scene has inspired countless artists and poets, symbolizing Beirut's enduring connection to the sea. Despite the city's bustle, the Raouche Rocks offer a moment of wild, untamed beauty. Adventurous visitors can take boat trips around the rocks, seeing their scale and the caves carved by the ocean. At night, the rocks glow under city lights and moonlight, mysterious and ethereal. They are a constant presence on Beirut's horizon, day and night. The Raouche Rocks are more than a view. They're a geological story and a cultural icon. They represent nature's strength and resilience, standing firm against the sea. Here, the energy of the city meets the timeless power of the ocean. It's a place of unforgettable beauty and drama. The rocks are a reminder of Lebanon's ever-changing, ever-enduring landscape. They are a must-see for anyone visiting Beirut. The Raouche Rocks capture the spirit of Lebanon's coast. Now, let's travel north to a port where history and the sea meet. Welcome to Byblos Old Port. Byblos, one of the world's oldest cities, is home to a harbour steeped in history, Byblos Old Port. Walking its cobbled streets feels like stepping back in time. The small crescent harbour, sheltered by a medieval fort, is postcard perfect. Traditional fishing boats and modern yachts share the calm, clear waters. Fishermen mend their nets as they have for centuries, the air filled with the scent of the sea and the cries of gulls. From here, Phoenician traders once set sail, exporting cedar and papyrus. The city's name even gave us the word Bible. Today, waterfront restaurants serve fresh seafood, letting you savor the port's vibrant life. As sunset approaches, the scene glows with golden light. The castle, the water, the sky all ablaze with color. Watching the sunset from the harbor wall is a cherished ritual, a moment of peace and beauty. As night falls, the port comes alive with lights, laughter, and the gentle lapping of water. The old fort stands guard, a silent witness to millennia of history. Byblos Port is not a relic, it's a living part of the community, blending ancient significance with daily joys. Here, history and the present coexist in harmony. The port is a place of work, leisure, and romance. Its charm lies in this seamless blend of past and present. Byblos Old Port embodies Lebanon's coastal spirit. It's a place where you feel the weight of history and the simple pleasure of a Mediterranean sunset. The port is a jewel of the Lebanese coast, captivating all who visit. Every visit is a new chapter in an ancient story. Byblos is a must-see for anyone seeking Lebanon's heart. Our journey is nearly complete. Let's reflect on what we've discovered. Our journey through Lebanon's wonders comes to a close. From Jeita Grotto to the Cedars, Qadisha Valley, Raouche Rocks, and Byblos Port, we've seen a land of astonishing beauty and history. Lebanon proves that even a small country can hold limitless wonder. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite destinations in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring and never lose your sense of wonder.